Okay, so we have described these mineral testing supplies, these items that we found in this bag. Mike, why do you think we have these things?
I would imagine that the glass plate would be to see how hard something is, to see if it scratches the glass or not.
That's exactly right. What about the streak plate?
I have no idea.
No idea. What about the acid?
To see if anything burns off?
To see if anything burns off. All of these are close guesses. Mike was exactly right on the glass plate that it's used to test hardness. Hardness is a physical characteristic of a mineral. So the way we identify minerals is we identify them by their different physical characteristics. Each one of these small items tests that physical characteristic. So a magnet is going to test the magnetism, right, of a mineral. The streak plate is going to test the streak or the color of the mineral when powdered. And hydrochloric acid is going to test if the mineral effervesces under acid. So what we're talking about are physical properties of these minerals. And these physical properties not only help us identify the minerals, but they also help us know which minerals to use in industry for different purposes. So for example, if I have a really hard mineral, am I going to use that to write with? No, right? Because it's not going to scratch off on paper. It has to be a very soft mineral. If I have a really hard mineral, may I use it as glass? Yes, because we don't want glass to break. So these are the different properties that we're going to look at when we start looking at these mineral samples to decide what they are and what they get used for.